We're gonna have to cover all this area. And this is where Flip's gonna build our tent. Right, Flip? Flip? Where is he? You hear that? Take your shoes off. Did you grow up in a barn or something? Take your shoes off. Jesus Christ. That's it? Beans? Tell me you're joking. A man can actually live on beans. And nothing else. What kind of a man is that? Corned beef? Flip, you're a lifesaver. I don't think so. I'm on a low-carb diet. I thought we agreed to share everything equally. You thought, maybe. Not me. Here you go, Sai. This is for you. Hey! That dog eats better than I do. I'm sorry. Would you like some? Forget it.